Usually, everyone will be facing towards the dry cough, right? Especially in the winter, or anyone who have allergies will be facing towards the allergies. Especially allergies is dry cough. There will be irritant in the throat, and dry cough will be occurring regularly or when resting conditions, like while sleeping. Especially it will be caused in new children frequently. Like if they have had any cold drinks or cold items or ice creams in a cold season, obviously next day they will start with the dry cough. And how much you give treatment or whatever you give medicines, it will not cure. So we'll see what all home remedies you can use for dry cough in a basic, like in a home-based treatment, what all you can give. That is, you can go for these all home remedies in the form of dry cough, because so many medicines, if you use, dry cough will not reduce. You can use salt, that is, add salt in a water and use it to gargle several times a day. Vinegar, add organic ACV to warm water, consume in the morning and evening. Ginger, infuse fresh ginger slices in warm water and consume this ginger water. Turmeric, add turmeric and honey to warm milk and consume this turmeric milk. Honey, add honey to warm water and consume this. These all the adults also can use, and the babies also, like children's also, you can use. But before 2 years babies, it's difficult to give these all. Yeah, but after 1 year, when you expose them for hot water, or when you expose them for outside milk, you can use all these home remedies. Thank you.